Hey Instagram, how's it going? My name is Jacob Satham Cleek. I'm a barber and men's hairdresser here in Savannah, Georgia at Bell Barber Company. And I've been really thinking about doing something. I really want to get into some video work. Hopefully with tutorials, doing some step-by-step, maybe getting back into color, who knows. But what I'm coming to you for is I really want to get some suggestions on what you think of that. What you would like to see, what some problem areas, or what you could gain that possibly I could teach you, or possibly something that I could teach myself from a suggestion from you. Education is a two-way street, so I want to learn from you guys, maybe just tap into something to where you might get a little more creative with something. So shoot me a message, comment down below, anything that is on your mind, let me know. I really want to get into this and hopefully kind of bring the barber and hair community in Savannah a little bit closer, maybe throw some events or do something like that. So I'm really wanting to get into this, get really involved, and we'll see where it goes. So like I said, feel free to shoot a comment below, shoot me a message, and let me know what you're thinking. Have a good one.